In this particular lecture, availability have been explained with the help of a practical examples. Let's look into it. Availability measures the likelihood that a device will be performing its intended task at a given time under specified condition for a specific period of time, even if repairs have been done. If the system or device is functioning, it is considered available regardless of whether it has been repaired in the past or has operated continuously without repairs. Now, availability is defined as operating time divided by operating time plus repair time. That is the total time in which the device is in service, which includes its operating time plus repair time. Now, some people get confused between the availability and reliability. So the basic difference between the availability and reliability is reliability assumes that the device or system will perform successfully over the entire specified time period with no repairs permitted. So reliability and availability definition are almost same. Only thing is during the availability calculation, we consider that repair is allowed. In the reliability calculation, the repairs are not allowed. In the upcoming slide, I will show it with an example so it will be more clearer to you. Now let's talk about an example. A valve functions satisfactorily for 60,000 hours without failure. The average repair time of the valve is 48 hours. What is the availability of the valve? As we have studied in the last slide, we know that availability is equal to operating time divided by operating time plus repair time. So the valve has worked satisfactorily for 60,000 hours. So this will be the operating time divided by operating time plus repair time. So in the denominator, it will be 60,000 plus 48. It comes out to be 0.992. Now, we know that availability is operating time divided by operating time plus repair time. Now, operating time and repair time, they are also defined in different terms. So, the terms is MTTF and MTTR. Now, what is MTTF? MTTF is mean time to failure, right? Mean time to failure. Now, what does it mean? Suppose the same example, the valve, we have taken a specific example where the valve has operated for 60,000 hours, and after 60,000 hours, it went for a breakdown maintenance of 48 hours, right? So, so this 60,000 hours is for one instance, right? So say this is first instance. After 48 hours, valves again taken into operation, and it will be again working for some time. It may not be exactly 60,000 hours. Maybe next time it will be say 50,000 hours. And again there will be a repair, and the repair can be of 48 hours or it can be also maybe 46 hours. Then there will be another operating period. Maybe this time say this is 62 or say 70,000 hours, right? And after that there is again a repair, and that time the repair took say 52 hours. So here the mean time to failure is 60,000 plus 50,000 plus 70,000, right? And divided by 3. So if we do that, this comes out to be like 60K. So this is the mean time to failure. Again, there is another term that is the mean time to repair. Now, in the first case, this is 48 hours, then 56 hours, then 52 hours, right? So in this case, it will be like say 50, 50, 100, 146 by 3, right? So it will be coming near to 45, right? 45.33, something like that. Okay. So this will be your mean time to repair. So again, so if you want to calculate the availability on the top, it will be obviously 60K divided by 45.33 plus 60. So this will be your availability here. So this is another way of showing the availability or calculating the availability. Now, take another example where there is a transmitter which has a MTTF of 10 years and MTTR of 48 hours. So what will be the availability? So MTTF is equal to 10. So in terms of hours, MTTF will be 10 into 8640. 8640 because 1 year is equal to 8640 hours, right? So MTTF will be 86400. Now the availability is MTTF divided by MTTF plus MTTR. So MTTF is 86400 divided by 86400 plus 48. So it will come out to be 0.9944. So this is all from the availability as this moment. Hope you have understood what is availability and how to derive the availability and what is the difference of availability and the reliability. Thank you.